Are you looking for the best protein shakes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best protein shakes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kate Farms Organic Vanilla Nutrition Shake. Kate Farms Organic Nutrition Shakes are USDA organic and contain 38 grams of carbohydrates and 16 grams of protein per serving. Since these shakes are higher in carbohydrates, they can be a useful supplement to support hard workouts. They also contain 12 grams of fat from sunflower, coconut, and flaxseed oil, making this a more filling shake, which may help if you do not have time to consume a meal. Kate Farms uses pea protein as a vegan protein source and adds 5 grams of dietary fiber from inulin. These shakes also contain a phytonutrient blend with extracts from green tea, turmeric, kale, cinnamon, and other organic fruit and vegetables. They are also fortified with many vitamins and minerals, including 35% of the daily value of vitamin D, 30% of the daily value of iron, and 90% of the daily value of vitamin B12. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aloha plant-based vanilla protein drink. Many protein shakes are water-based, so if you want a creamier option, Aloha makes a coconut-based protein shake. This shake contains 18 to 20 grams of protein, depending on the type of bottle, in the form of pea protein and brown rice protein. It also contains 9 to 11 grams of carbohydrates, of which 3 grams come from dietary fiber, so the amount of carbohydrates your body can use for energy is limited. Therefore, you might want to pair this shake with a food source of carbohydrates. Aloha shakes come in 3 flavors: vanilla, coconut, and chocolate sea salt. The vegan shakes are organic, non-GMO, and free from gluten, soy, and artificial flavors. At number 3, we have the Orgain grass-fed clean protein shake. As an active individual, it is important to get enough calcium to support bone strength and muscle function. Orgain nutritional shakes contain 45% of the daily value of calcium, so you can be sure you're getting a good dose. We also like that Orgain nutritional shakes contain 20 grams of protein and 11 grams of carbohydrates per serving, making them a well-rounded pre- or post-exercise supplement. However, this amount of carbohydrates is likely not high enough to support optimal recovery from exercise, so you might consider pairing them with carbohydrate-containing foods. Orgain nutritional shakes contain protein from milk protein concentrate, so they are not suitable if you are lactose intolerant or allergic to milk. They do, however, also make a vegan version with pea protein and chia seeds. At number 2, we have the Evolve plant-based protein shake. If you want a vegan protein shake, Evolve plant-based protein shakes contain 20 grams of protein in the form of pea protein isolate. Similar to whey and casein, pea protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all of the essential amino acids, the amino acids we need to obtain from the diet, as well as the branched-chain amino acids needed for recovery from exercise. In addition to the high-quality, plant-based protein, we like that Evolve contains vitamins vegans sometimes struggle to obtain. These shakes contain 15% of the daily value for vitamin B12 and zinc, as well as 25% of the daily value for iron. Evolve shakes have 15 grams of carbohydrates, with 10 of these grams coming from soluble corn fiber. Fiber has many health benefits, though this is a high amount of fiber for a protein shake and may cause digestive discomfort for some, particularly before exercising. Since fiber cannot be used as an energy source, Evolve shakes do not have many carbohydrates that can be used for energy. We recommend pairing them with a food source of carbohydrates, like a piece of fruit. Please keep in mind that Evolve may contain soy, a major allergen. And finally at number 1, we have the OWYN Vegan Protein Shake. OWYN plant-based protein shake packs 20 grams of pea and pumpkin seed protein per serving in addition to 30% of the daily value of iron and 5 grams of fiber. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein, including the branched-chain amino acids needed to enhance muscle recovery. As an added benefit, OWYN contains flax oil, a source of omega-3 fats, and a greens blend for additional nutrients such as iron, calcium, and potassium, which may be especially beneficial if you are an athlete. Point 4. We also like that OWYN participates in third-party testing to ensure they are free from the top 8 allergens, including dairy, gluten, soy, peanuts, tree nuts, and eggs. The convenient beverage comes in a variety of flavors, such as dark chocolate, coffee, and strawberry banana, so you will be sure to find one that suits your taste buds. Please note, however, that OWYN is sweetened with monk fruit, a sugar and calorie-free sweetener, so the shake only contains 10 grams of carbohydrates. If you are using this shake to recover after a workout, you may also want to eat a food source of carbohydrates, like a banana, to help you adequately recover and replenish your energy stores. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.